Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Zach AI, and today we will dive into something huge. AI. By 2025, it's not going to be a question anymore. AI mastery will be the defining factor between those who will be winning or losing in 2025. And trust me, you don't want to be playing catch up in this because AI is evolving and will evolve really fast in future. That's why in this video, we will break down the 5 essential AI skills that will set you up for success in this rapidly changing world we're talking about. Tools, the technique, and the mindset you need to not just survive, but thrive in the age of AI. So, whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, creative, or someone who just wants to stay ahead of the curve, this one is for you. Let's get into this. Okay, first up, AI enhanced writing. Now you might be thinking, Zach, I'm not a writer. Why does this matter to me? Here's the thing, in the future, being able to communicate your ideas effectively is going to be more important than ever. Whether you're pitching a client, writing a report, or just sending an email, your words matter, and that's where AI come in. We're talking tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Grammarly. These aren't just glorified spell checkers. These are your new secret weapon for clear, concise, and impactful writing. Think about it. How many times have you struggled to find the right words or spent hours editing a single paragraph? With AI-powered writing tools, you can literally feed your raw ideas into the system, and it helps you structure them, refine your language, and even tailor your tone to your audience. For example, this video's script is restructured with AI just giving it some ideas and details. It's literally like having a professional script writer on steroids, ha 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 ha. And the best part? These tools are constantly learning and improving. The more you use them, the better they understand your style and preferences, making your writing even sharper and more effective over time. This isn't replacing humans' creativity, it's about amplifying it. Imagine being able to bang out a blog post in minutes, craft a compelling presentation in an hour, or write that killer email that actually gets response. Not like how my crush left me on scene, ha 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 ha. No, but really, jokes aside, all of this is possible because of the help of AI. That's AI enhanced writing. It's about working smarter, not harder, and making sure your message cuts through the noise. So if you're not already experimenting with these tools, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to level up your communication game. Trust me, this is one skill you don't want to sleep on. Next up, we're diving into the world of prompt engineering. Think of prompts as a bridge from your ideas and the AI's ability to understand and execute them. It's like giving someone directions. The clearer and more specific your instructions, the better the outcome. Remember how in my previous video I gave you guys 2 well-written prompts to create these AI-generated videos? Yes, that's what prompts are. Oh, you haven't seen the video yet? If I was you, I would go watch the video soon as I finish this one, because if not, you'll be missing out on the easiest way to make money with AI. Now back to our video. In AI, the prompt is the input you give to tools like ChatGPT or Leonardo AI, the ones we used in the previous video. It could be a simple question or a detailed description. Mastering prompt engineering unlocks creative possibilities. For example, a vague prompt like generate a picture of cat might get you a generic cat, but a detailed prompt can create something unique and specific. It's about guiding AI towards your vision. You don't need to be a coder to excel at this. Understand how AI thinks and communicate your ideas clearly. Experiment, get creative, and push the limits. The only limit is your imagination. Okay, let's talk about AI workflow automation, because who wants to waste time on repetitive tasks when you could be focusing on the stuff that really matters? This is about leveraging AI to streamline your processes, boost efficiency, and free up you time and mental energy for more creative, strategic work. Think about the mundane, repetitive tasks you do on a daily basis: answering emails, scheduling meetings, data entry, the list goes on. Now imagine if you can automate a significant chunk of those tasks, freeing up hours, maybe even days of your time each week. That's the power of AI workflow automation. We're talking about tools that can scan your inbox and prioritize your emails, schedule meetings across different time zones without the back and forth, even generate reports and presentations with minimal input from you. And the best part, As AI technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for automations are practically limitless. The best AI tool for me that does workflow automations is Make.com. Make has thousands of apps you can connect and automate your workflow and repetitive tasks. So if you're serious about staying ahead of the curve, start exploring the world of workflow automation. Now, this next skill is where things get really interesting: AI agent development. We're not talking about using existing AI tools. We're talking about building your own. Imagine having a team of intelligent bots working for you, 24/7 handling tasks, gathering information, and even interacting with customers. That's the power of AI agent development. We're talking about creating chatbots that can provide instant customer support, virtual assistant that can manage schedule and travel arrangements, even AI-powered agents that can analyze market trends and identify new business opportunities. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius to get started. There are many low-code, no-code tools that make it easier than ever to deploy AI agent without writing a single line of code like VoiceFlow, Chatbase, and OpenAI. So if you're ready to take your AI skills to the next level, start exploring the world of AI agent development. It might seem daunting at first, but trust me, the possibilities are endless. Finally, let's talk about AI content generation. This is where things gets really exciting, especially for all of you creators out there. Imagine generating high-quality content videos, music, articles, even code in a fraction of the time it would normally take. For example, in the previous video, I showed you guys how to create these Disney Pixar animated shorts, all by using AI. Another example, this video that you're currently watching has a lot of AI work in it. That's the power of AI content generation tools. So we're talking about tools that help you overcome writing block, create stunning visuals, compose original music, and even generating realistic voiceover like me. With latest advancements in machine learning, we're seeing AI tools that can create content that's not just technically proficient, but genuinely creative and engaging. Imagine feeding AI a script and it creating a short film with music, sound effects, and even voiceover. There is this new tool that can create any video you want with just a single prompt, like in Video AI. If you are a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who likes to experiment with new technology, you need to check out the world of AI content generation. So, there you have it. These are the 5 essential AI skills that will separate winners from losers in the years to come. These aren't just tech skills. They're essential skills for anyone who wants to thrive in a world increasingly driven by artificial intelligence. Now, I know it can feel overwhelming, but the key is to start small. Pick one skill that resonates with you and start exploring the tools and the resources available. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's all about how you use it. So embrace the power of AI, experiment, have fun with it, and who knows, you might surprise yourself with how much you can achieve. These 5 AI skills are more than just tools. They're your ticket to success in the coming years. Start building these skills now. 2025 will be the year that you'll own. But before we end the video, guys, I have an important announcement to make. Yes, guys, I'm starting my own AI automation agency, Zach AI. We will be offering many services, including the ones that we stated in this video, like AI workflow automation, AI agent development, and AI content generation. Also, we will offer many other basic services like web development and marketing. We're going to launch the agency in the coming days, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, that's about it. So please, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and smash that notification button to don't miss out on future videos. See you guys in the next one. Peace.